Wow, just took the tarp off my van and there's freaking ice. That's crazy. Craziness. Good morning, good morning, good morning. 40 degrees here in Arizona. It's freezing, people. I thought I moved away from this cold weather. Just out here in Arizona, going through a cold streak, and it's gonna be like this for probably another week or two, which is a complete bummer because I gotta sell stuff locally. So I'm on my way right now to do another little side of the road special. I got some junkage with me in the back. Added some more totes with some new inventory. So we're gonna see how it goes here today. I'm not really, my expectations are very low in terms of making some money out here, but you know, you gotta go out there and try. That's the way I look at it, right? I can't sit in the house and say, oh, it's just too cold, nobody's gonna shop. I gotta go actually out here and experience it. But if I make some money at this today, that'd be great. I'm gonna be out here for a couple hours, just around the corner here. So let's see what we do today. All right, just got done setting up and sold some stuff already again. We'll do a little walkthrough of the booth here. I got some newer items out here, about 3 or 4 totes worth. Just to kind of change things up, I added some more jewelry, backpacks, just a bunch of junkage, lots of toys, got the dartboard still, DVDs, vinyl records. I added some shoes out here, some camera stuff. So, good amount of people so far today. Something's really going on here. This is like, must be a serious accident on the highway, because that's like the 5th ambulance that's come by here. So, yeah, got everything set up here, and hopefully today will bring some profit in the pockets. I should almost brought my propane heater here because it is chilly today. But at the moment it's a little slow, but I had a good little run. Just need to get rid of this stuff. It's craziness. It's almost like, I mean, when people come over here, they see what's here, but it's just not. I didn't want to start bringing out 9 or 10 different tables here. But I might have to do something because it does look cluttered. You know? It definitely does look cluttered. So, hopefully we can just keep selling some more stuff here. Sold some rings today. What else did I sell? I sold, I had a couple Coke bottles here. No, they were Budweiser bottles. One was a bank and one was a clock. I sold those. Sold a couple DVDs. I sold about 15 records for $1 a crack. And I sold a Disney alarm clock, which I had on eBay. I gotta actually go on my phone right now and delete the listing. So yeah, got a new vendor sitting up right here. So we're just gonna hang out here and prey on the reselling guys to come out here and buy some junkage from us. So I was just talking to these vendors over here, and I was just looking at some of the stuff they had there. Just really overpriced. Blu-rays for $7 that were used and sun beat up. couple amplifiers there that are brand new for 120. They wanted 150. So I kind of have the advantage here because I just got, it's the junkage. So everything I'm trying to sell is cheap. Obviously I'm not trying to give away things, but I'm trying to make it a deal for people. And it's interesting to see how other people sell stuff and how they price it. It's pretty interesting, that's for sure. How are you guys today?
Good. How you doing? Not too bad. Good. Not chilly out here, huh? A little bit. I was from Chicago. I'm like, what happened here? Yeah. It was 20 degrees today. You were down on Zenland a couple of weeks ago.
Yeah, I was down over there. We were having a conversation about you were doing the scoring.
Yeah, they ever arrest that guy?
Yeah, they took away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I figured they would.
Demanded $5 billion. Well, if you don't get $5 billion, I want to shut the government. What the hell? Can't people see that?
How you doing? Chilling in the car here because it's a little cold. Just was having a conversation with a gentleman here that's in his 80s, and he used to sell at the flea market there. He's been doing it for 40 years, and we were just talking about how times are changing. You know, I don't think a lot of the younger generation of people are out there stopping at flea markets or side of the road specials. You know, it's interesting because you know, the people that have been coming by here and the people that have shopped when I was here last week are, you know, they're older people and they're looking for a little deal, looking for a little bargain. But you just don't see too many younger people that come around and shop these things. So definitely interesting, that's for sure.
You could think that I'm a creep when I'm singing all alone, but it's like I couldn't see straight on my own. Hey, yeah. There's something that saved me all the time in my stay. Yeah. It appears when I am breaking down, whisper in my head, coming from out of nowhere. The whisper in my head when I've got something to share.
Alright, just sold a flask to a gentleman. He's like, this will work well in my golf bag. Still got 2 left. That used to be a Jack Daniels one, it appears to be. And, yeah, having some issues right now with the wind's kind of blowing stuff all over the place, so I'm gonna have to figure out a temporary solution for this. But come on by, and shop till you drop. Shop till you drop. Little Casa Grande history over here. Movie Three Kings with Clooney, Wahlberg, and Ice Cube. This movie was actually filmed right over here, just north of where I'm at, and some other general locations out here. Pretty good movie. There's a pit that where this scene is here. There's like they turn into like Baghdad or whatever. That's at one of the old pits that's down that way. And I wish I can get over there, but it's closed off. But supposedly they still have the whole set there, which would be kind of neat one day to kind of go over there and check out. So if you ever watch Three Kings, this is the area here. Casa Grande, Arizona. It's all about appearance. Just sold 2 earrings for $2, $1 each. See, because it's all, they look so much more better when they're with the presentation, you know? Oh, just lost those. But just that little cardboard there kind of makes them stand out and makes them appear to be a little bit more valuable than what they are. But I'll take it, $1 each. Can't beat that. All right, just sold a nutcracker that came out of a Reese's storage unit, along with a cross, so $4. Man, it's like waves that are coming through here. People stopping and shopping. So slowly adding up, that's for sure. Probably gonna hang out here for another 30 minutes to an hour and kind of call it quits at that point. So hopefully we get some more buyers, man. I need some more cashola. Yep. So super cool. Somebody just stopped by the booth here that watches me on the old YouTube, and his name was Matt. Matt, great guy. Had a nice little conversation with you, man. And it's interesting because he's been watching since Morning Cup of Joe. So that's been, what, 5-6 years? That's crazy. It's always fun when you guys stop by and say hi. Definitely makes the day, that's for sure. So Matt, thanks for stopping by and seeing with the old craziness here on the side of the road. Still here, probably gonna give it another 10 more minutes and then call it a day. Doing decent, nothing crazy though. Not getting rich out here, but I am selling some junkage. All right, not too bad. I got 1 empty tote, 2 empty totes. So I'm just gonna strap this all up and get the heck out of here. Snug as a bug in a rug. All ready to rock and roll and call it a day. Yeah, baby. All right, back home here and just doing a recap. It was cold out there, guys. Pretty darn cold. I'm just trying to stay warm here. It's got this cold wave that's coming through here the next 2 weeks, so I don't think I'll be out there in the field selling locally because it's too cold, which is a shame because I've got some plans to do some flea marketing. Anyway, to wrap up the video, I did about $78 today for about 2 hours worth of work, so $30 plus an hour, which isn't bad. Did get rid of some of the junkage and just, you know, gonna kick back here and just take it easy, get some stuff done in the garage, get some stuff listed online. I hope that you guys are out there making some money with this reselling game. It's whether it's part-time or full-time, it's a great opportunity, you know, and just takes some hard work and some effort and some dedication. So I appreciate you watching the video here today. Appreciate you subscribe to my channel. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you in the next video, guys. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace. Vlog.
It's in my head, yeah. There's something that saved me all the time.